The Q905 series portable mill and resaw blade is designed for the sawmill industry. This blade is a carbon-based blade that's heat-treated tooth tip and the ground tooth technology. The sawmill industry requires a larger gullet capacity with a 7-degree rake angle for maximum chip ejection. So this 905 series blade has the flexible carbon body with a strong tooth tip. It is designed to cut any of your hardwoods, exotics. If you got a sawmill, you put that blade on, you can run anything through it. Ground tooth technology, as with all of our blades, increase the blade life and durability of that tooth tip. Simply, you don't have to break it in. Get it out of the box, put it on your saw, and you can cut right away with it. The 905 series blade is available at 1 1/4 inch width and a 7/8 pitch. If you buy blades from Sawblade.com, you're going to get a very competitive price. We guarantee all of our product. The blades are available same day. We provide service, parts for mini saws. If you need our assistance, just give us a call. I'm George with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching. No middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.